Ibom Deep Seaport could quietly change the future of Nigeria. On today's episode, we were talking about the new seaport in Nigeria that is situated in Akwa Ibom State. Before I continue, do well to like, do well to share, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more finance contents from us. For years, when Nigerians talked about port, the conversation always ended in Lagos, where you have the Apapa traffic, where you have the congestion, where you have the delay, and where you have the overcrowded people. So when the government decided to invest in a new deep seaport, they thought to themselves, which place in Nigeria still has more hectares of lands? And Akwa Ibom was the best on that list. Most people asked, why Akwa Ibom? Why Ibom Deep Seaport? The answer is simple but powerful. The smartest move is not spending where it's already overcrowded, but investing in a place where the future has a place to grow. Let's take a look at the map. Akwa Ibom has great advantage. As you can see on the map, Akwa Ibom is close to the coastline, giving us better advantage for more business deals. Akwa Ibom sits close to the major international shipping routes. It also sits close to the Central African markets. And not just that, Akwa Ibom is Nigeria's eastern and northern trade corridors. Yet, for years, we have underestimated and underused this advantage. Most cargoes still went to Lagos even when it was inefficient. So, the idea behind the Ibom Deep Seaport was bold and very calculative. Ibom Deep Seaport is planned with natural deep water access, which is capable of handling large modern vessels without dredging. For all Nigerians, the philosophy of this design means we are going to have lower shipping costs, faster movement of goods and services, stronger export competitiveness, and more jobs for our citizens. Ibom Deep Seaport is not just a private dream, but it is the government's backed infrastructure, meaning the government are solely involved in the building of this deep seaport to help and make our lives easier and better. Because it is a government-based project, it is going to help send signals to investors, manufacturers, and to logistics all around the world. The message is very clear. Nigeria is open for global businesses. Ibom Deep Seaport is designed to work hand in hand with Ibom Industrial City. This decision is very crucial. It means raw materials will arrive at the port, they will be transported to the factories, and the goods will come back out for exports. So this is to tell you that Nigeria is open for global businesses. Less movement, less cost, less delay. And that's how a government moves from trading goods to making the goods. And once manufacturing spreads, the impact moves across Akwa Ibom. Just so we are clear, according to the government, Ibom Deep Seaport was created to relieve Lagos Port of some duties and not to compete with them. Ibom Deep Seaport can create direct port jobs, logistics and transport work, manufacturing employment, skill transfer and training for everybody. That is giving every Nigerian citizen a job for employment. Most importantly, it will help to balance Nigeria's economy geographically. Ibom Deep Seaport is more than just a construction project. It is a statement that Nigeria can think long-term and spread development. If Ibom Deep Seaport goes as planned, it means that it will not only transport cargoes, but also it will move economic power, economic growth, and economic opportunity. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Solid Finance Podcast, for more finance contents from us. Until next time, Bye for now.